All right, so I'm fixing a Strongway extension cord reel. This is the culprit here. The spring did not break. It's this little coupler that broke. This little notch here fits here. I couldn't get this other side apart, so it won't actually go on this way. It needs to come the other way. So what I ended up doing, I tried to plastic weld it. It didn't hold. I didn't expect it to. You got a little shoulder you gotta hit here. You got a little piece you gotta grab, which is what this piece does. This piece fits in like that and grabs what broke. So what I ended up doing is making a new piece. So I beveled it so it'd fit on that little bearing in there. I got some set screws, some 6 by 1.0, I believe. Tapped them 3 spots. So the idea here is that little tab will grab that, hold the spring. This will go on here, set screw to that little flat, and I'm probably gonna end up tacking it too. So we'll see how it works. So because of the slop, I had to put a 30,000 shim here on the back side to try to center it up-ish. And those set screws, I hope they're all right. I don't really want to grind them down. We'll see what happens. So I ended up having to cut this plate here so this would fit through. Well, it works now. It's a good thing. Hadn't pulled it all the way out, give it the maximum tension, but it works.